Hi everybody, welcome to Math Mastery. I am Tanvi and today I am going to discuss a few MCQs on index numbers. These MCQs are taken from chapter 7th of class 11 statistics book. An index number which accounts for the relative importance of the items is known as. So whenever the relative importance of items is taken care of, then that index number is either a simple weight, a weighted aggregate, sorry, a weighted aggregative index number or weighted relative index number. So the correct option is 1, weighted index. Simple aggregative index and simple average of relatives is incorrect because it treats all the importance, all the items, all the commodities as equal while calculating the index. So the correct answer is 1. In most of the weighted index numbers, the weight pertains to one base year is the correct answer, because if we calculate weighted index number every year and we assign weights pertaining to current year, then we have to calculate weights for current year for every year. So it will be very tedious. So therefore the weight pertains to the base year. The impact of change in the price of a commodity with little weight in the index will be, so if the price of a commodity is given a little weight, then the effect of that commodity will also be small. So the answer to this question is 1, small. Question number 4. A consumer price index measures changes in. The answer is 1, retail prices, because a consumer price index measures cost of living of a consumer. So it will always take into account retail prices. Wholesale prices are used to calculate inflation rate in the country, so, which is at a macroeconomic level. So CPI, the answer to this question for a CPI index is 1, retail prices. Question number 5. The item having the highest weight in consumer price index for industrial workers is. So for CPI for industrial workers, the commodity which is of the highest importance is food. Okay, so the highest weight will be given to food as compared to housing or clothing. So the answer is 1, food. Question number 6. In general, inflation is calculated by using. The answer is 1, wholesale price index, because general inflation is the inflation of the overall economy for which we need wholesale prices. If it was retail inflation or inflation for the consumers or cost of living of consumers, then we will calculate this consumer price index. So for general inflation, the answer is 1, wholesale price index. So with this, I have completed the MCQs on index numbers.